Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating the process of converting AutoCAD points into COGO points within Civil3D. In many situations, you may receive AutoCAD drawing files from external consultants or companies. If you need to generate COGO points in order to create contours or build a surface in Civil3D, this video will guide you through the necessary steps. To begin, navigate to the Toolspace panel. Right-click on Points and select Create. This will open the Create Points dialog box. Next, click the downward arrow button located on the far left under the Miscellaneous category. From the drop-down menu, select Convert AutoCAD Points. Then, follow the on-screen instructions. The first step is to select the AutoCAD points you wish to convert. After selection, you will have the option to assign descriptions to the points. In this tutorial, I will be skipping the description entry. Simply press Enter to proceed to the remaining steps. Once completed, you will observe that the selected AutoCAD points have been successfully converted into COGO points automatically. At this point, all the selected points have been successfully converted into COGO points within a short amount of time. This method significantly reduces the time required compared to manual data entry. You may then modify the point style and point label style in accordance with your company's standards. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials. I hope you enjoyed the content and gained some insights to help improve your workflow. See you in the next video.